Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G54 Power. Now I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. Open first the settings and then scroll down to the personalized section. Here click to the wallpapers and tap to choose new wallpaper section. You could use photos from your photos, this other photos here, and the default. Just tap to change wallpaper. Use your photos or the photos from your device. I'll use, for example, one from them. You could see here the preview on local home screen. Then just tap to OK in the right down corner and select lock screen. Wait a second. Wallpaper set successfully. Let us lock the device, and as we could see, we just successfully changed our wallpaper. Also, get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to wallpapers, click here to home lock screen, tap to change wallpapers and select one from them. For example, unfortunately I have no any photos previously taken on my device camera, so I'll use the same default wallpapers. Just let's select one from them, tap to OK on the right down corner and click to the lock screen. Wait a second, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.